right, it's time to make a dreidel. You should have a piece of paper like this. If it's white, then I would take the time to color it and make it pretty. But if it's blue, you're all set to go. So the first thing we have to do is cut. Wherever there's a dotted line, you don't cut there. If you do, it's going to make it very hard to put it together. All right, there's my first part. Do you see how I left the tabs on there? Those tabs have to be on there, or you won't be able to put your dreidel together. All right, you ready for more cutting? Do you see how I left those tabs? Make sure you leave the tabs. Did you leave the tabs? See all those tabs? They have to be there or it won't work. All right, there we are. Do you see all of my tabs? Remember, you have to leave those tabs when you cut them out. All right, so now we need to take our pencil and see that X? We're going to take our pencil and push through it. All right, now take your pencil out and leave the hole. Okay. Now, do you see where there's little tiny dotted lines here, and then there's big dotted lines by the tabs? Big dotted lines by the tabs. We need to fold on all of those dotted lines. All right, ready? Here we go. This is what we should see. It's folded all along there. It's folded there. Folded at the top. All right, so now we can start to put it together. We're going to start with the top. So I'm going to take my glue stick. And I like to put glue on the tab as well as where it's going on the inside. And then you're going to hold that and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then we're going to do, we're really close. We have the top down. It looks like we have a cube, but there's this stuff coming off on the bottom. And then that hole that you put in the top, now you're going to put the pencil in, and then it can spin.